Mr. Get in there. Quick little update, YouTube. What's going on with y'all, man? Back at the junk. We're still at the junkyard. Little cobalt, man. Think about this dash out this cobalt, man. I kind of like them gauges in there, but even if I can't get them gauges to work, I just buy me some big digital gauges and put in there. Man, I kind of like them big gauges like that, man. What y'all think, man? Maybe I'll tell you, I ain't never seen it done. Get these AC control switch. Get the AC box and everything out the firewall, man. Make them convert and make it work in their cutlass, man. I ain't never seen it done, man. I know they sell them high as aftermarket kits, man. I don't know if Mike could be done, man. Everybody know it could been done, man. Shoot a brother that info, man. Shit, don't be a hater, man. Help me out. That's that cobalt dash, man. I'm thinking about coming back and get, man. Thinking about it. Thinking about it. Think about it, YouTube. Maybe you can put the cobalt whole stern column in. Fabricate that. Make that work in the cutlass, man. I ain't gonna do it to him, no. But, stern, just dashboard, like I say. Maybe I get these gauges working. If not, I'll give me some two big digital gauges, one small gauge, and maybe I put me some pies right there on the side for my water and my voltage, you know, and my forgot what it's called. But anyway, what y'all think, man? Let me know, man. I'm trying to get that cutty right, man. I gotta get that cutlass right. So much to get in there with now with a little junkyard adventure.